What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you're doing well. Gonna go over our friend Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1619, down 2.2 on the day. See a market cap of 192 billion. 24-hour volume 18.12 billion. Let's hop into the charts. Let's start here on the 1 hour time frame. So the bullish scenario we're looking at is we completed a wave 1, and now we have an exaggerated ABC correction. And we're coming down in a wave C. So the minimum target for a wave 2 pullback is the 0.382 at 1385. Usually going to pull back in between the 0.5 and the 0.786, as I've been mentioning. So what we could potentially see here is that we've come down in a wave 1. So we have wave 1, wave 2 pullback, potential wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Could be complete. And then you would see a wave 2, and then you'd see a wave 3, a wave 4, wave 5. Because within a wave C is a 5-wave move. Now we also may be looking at this being a wave 4 pullback and still coming down for a little bit of a wave 5. But I do think we could potentially see a bounce relatively soon. We have a big bullish divergence. As you can see here, we created an equal low, double bottom, while creating a significantly higher low on the 1 hour RSI, as well as on the money flow. So do keep a close eye on that as well. It can be a sign that the bears are running out of strength. Now the bearish wave count is that this is a wave 4, an overshooting wave 4 pullback, and we're still looking for a wave 5. Now if that's the scenario, what I'd be looking at potentially is that we've come down in a wave 1, or we're about to complete a wave 1, may break a little bit lower. We come back in a wave 2, we see a wave 3, wave 4, and a final wave 5. And if that wave 5 breaks our previous low, I could complete the larger wave 5 and the bear market's over. Either that, or we put in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and we only complete a wave 1 of a larger wave 5 to the downside of this larger wave 5. That if we did come all the way down to about 5 to 600, then I'd be looking at just a completion of a wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5 to bring us down to that $500 to $600 range for our friend Ethereum. Personally, I think that this is an overextended wave 4, and we're going to come down in a wave 5. Now the wave 5 can complete anytime we break the wave 3 low. So what may happen is we put in a 5-wave move, we break that wave 3 low, and we bottom out for Ethereum. That is the scenario that I'm focusing on, that I'm looking at, is that there is one more wave down, but I could be completely wrong, and the bottom is in for Ethereum right here, where we've come down in a 5-wave move. Wave 1, wave 2, this is the all-time high, wave 3, wave 4, put in the wave 5, completed a wave 1 to the upside, and we're now looking to put in a wave 2. We see a bounce, and we see continuation of the bull run, and the bear market is over. I don't think it's a likely scenario, but I could be completely wrong. And if we zoom out to the daily, what we're looking at here from the start of the previous bear market is that we put in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback, wave 3. This is all a wave 4, put in a large ABC, still looking for a wave 5 to the upside. As I mentioned previously, if we zoom out here on the daily, let's open this up. Just look at this bear market rally, guys. If we take a fib retracement, let's see here. Let's take a fib retracement from the all-time high down to the bottom of this rally. So we pushed all the way up and we just broke above the 0.5. So similar to what we did, but this is not the all-time high. So if we go to the all-time high for Ethereum, down to the low, oh my God, look at that, guys. Check that out. So we pushed right up. I need to adjust this just a little bit here. This is pretty wild. We pushed right up to the 0.5 and we got rejected. Look at the previous bear market rally. We just broke above the 0.5 and then we got rejected and we saw a huge drop. So basically you're seeing a fractal of the previous bear market push right up to the 0.5, starting to see a rejection. Now the really bullish scenario, we put in a wave 2 inverse head and shoulders and we see the breakout to the upside. But personally, I'm looking for one more. I think there's going to be one more wave down. All right, guys. So in the short term, we'll zoom back into the 1 hour time frame. The bullish scenario is we see a little bit of a bounce here, or we just see a continuation to the downside before potentially seeing a bit of a relief bounce. We come down for a wave 2, minimum target 1385. And then we see continuation up in a much larger wave 3, and the bear market is over. And the bearish scenario, which I think is more likely, we're putting in a wave 5 to the downside, and potentially we're starting to put in our sub wave count. We'll come down in wave 1, put in a wave 2, come down to wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. Potentially we could start to bounce from this level, but if we do create a lower low here, we can still be just completing the wave 1. All right, ladies and gentlemen, that is it for me. Big shout out to the Discord. My exact entries, exits, and take profits. Just gave a signal. I'm not going to show it because I would just be giving it away for free. It's $10 a month for my spot trades, for my leverage trades, as well as over 2,000 members posting chart patterns, talking all things crypto. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and if you want to trade with me, sign up to Bybit, up to $4,500 in bonuses over there. You can watch my full-length tutorial, and I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.